Yeah, hey guys, I know it doesn't seem like it, but winds have actually died down just a little bit here in Moreland. But as you can see behind me, crews have just now gotten that fire out of those hay bales. Now, we arrived here about 2:33 and the hay bales were on fire. There was smoke everywhere. And the neighbors we spoke with say they really tried to do everything they could to prevent that fire from getting to their houses. Take a listen.
Yeah, this wind is just ridiculous. Just too much wind and too dry.
High winds and hay bales burning in Moreland.
There's some hay bales on fire right now, but I just got a phone call from a friend. I was down doing taxes and she said, are you watching? There's a fire across from your house.
Neighbors doing what they know to do best in these situations.
I came out, started watering. It's all I know to do. I've been meaning to put a sprinkler system in for years. It's going in this year.
Lending a hand to one another.
It's unoccupied right now, so I'm making sure the grass is wet down so it don't get to their houses while they're not here.
Calling it a community effort.
This is a small community. Everybody helps everybody. My neighbor Steve down the street was just over here trying to help me get my hoses hooked up. So, you know, neglecting his own yard, helping me. So.
Thanking the firefighters they say are working tirelessly.
The best. We have the best. They're volunteer, most of them. They risk their lives for us over and over and over again here with these wildfires. So I have nothing but praise for those guys.
And coming up tonight at 6, we'll show you more of the impacts of these high winds and how it affected one semi-truck driver.